Yeah, 50K miles. Oh shit, hold up. Not a R8 though, what the fuck? What's up, YouTube? It's your boy SRT BUBZ, and I'm back with another banger for y'all, man. Y'all read the title, y'all see the thumbnail, you know exactly why you here. Make sure you guys like this video so I get thrown in that algorithm. Also, hit that subscribe while you're at it. You might as well, it's free. And also, when you hitting that subscribe, you're gonna join the club. I'm gonna start calling the family, like y'all, my subscribers, I'm gonna start calling y'all club members. Feel me? You see what I'm wearing? Bad Luck Club. We got a collab coming for some merch, and this is about to be crazy for y'all. It's something that I represent, and you feel me? See it on my steering wheel, so you know it's been in my charger as well, so you know it's sewn in, you feel me? It's a lifestyle. So as y'all can see, I'm at 50K miles in the Jeep, y'all. And I had the Jeep for like a year and a half, and I can honestly say I have no complaints at all with this vehicle, with this engine. Regular maintenance, it's perfect, like no complaints at all. And I could hit it whenever I want, you feel me? Like, this is a very, very strong engine. Like, I'm at 50K miles. I wasn't expecting to have any issues at all, but you feel me? People like to talk shit about Mopars or whatever. Let me get over. People like to talk shit about Mopars over there. Oh shit, hold up. Not a R8 though. What the fuck? He driving that shit like he's scared. Yo, Tesla, hold on. But yeah, nah, that's crazy. I dead ass just, you know, R8 randomly. But it was a car show today, and I seen some Porsches a little earlier, and I seen a Lambo earlier. But like I was saying, if you think about getting a 6.4, you gonna get it with low miles. Okay, hold on, we see a vet right here. Nice Stingray. But if you think about a 6.4 or anything, go ahead, go get it. But yeah, 50,000 miles. I got it about a year and a half ago, like I said, and I had it with 22,000 miles on it. So what did I put? Like 28? Yeah, about 28,000 on it, and that's like average, I guess. I feel like I drive so much to it. Didn't really be as high as I would expect it to be, going on 2 years of owning this Jeep. But I love it, man. If y'all thinking about going to get a 6.4 Jeep Durango, go ahead, go get it, man. Anything, you know, it's Mopar or no car anyway. But with that being said, though, I'm thinking about getting something new, though, y'all. I know I've been teasing a little bit, been looking at a lot of different options, but if you don't know by now, you could just look on my page and you could kind of guess what I'm about to get next. And I don't know if I'm doing a raffle anymore, y'all. Y'all ain't proved to me that y'all wanted the raffle, man. So I don't know. Who knows? I still might raffle it. Nobody knows what the future holds. Y'all just gotta really prove to me that y'all want this raffle, y'all. And because I don't want to trade it. I don't want to trade it in. I'm not trying to trade. I'm trying to have somebody I know buy it or give it away on a raffle. And I'm also seeing a lot of other people doing raffles, so I really don't know. I don't know what I want to do. Yeah, 50K miles. Real dig monster, like for real. Like a real dig monster. Anybody who want to smoke, nah, I'm Jack. I ain't drinking it. I know I'm slow, yeah. I don't. None of that. Oh, he gave me a thumbs up. Oh, you hear the cops. You hear the cops. Hold on. Let me put my mute on. I'm about to pull over though and give y'all a little wrap around of the Jeep. But let me go pull over, give y'all a wrap around of the Jeep. For all the new people that's on the channel, thank y'all for tuning in. For all the people who been watching and y'all ain't subscribed, what y'all doing? Go hit that subscribe if you ain't subscribed yet. Newcomers, hit that subscribe. Like I said, join the club, Bad Luck Club, man. I got merch coming very, very soon. Like I said, samples will come in very soon. But here we go, my 2019 SRT Jeep, yeah. I used to have stripes on it. I had to take the stripes off. The winter time did me wrong, but that was expected. That wrap was kind of like a thicker wrap. Big green Brembos. See the tag on the side. Straight pipe muffler delete, all of that. All of that, all of that. I got the tow hitch off right now because I be bringing my bike, so I ain't put that back on yet. But yeah, y'all. If you ain't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe, man. But yeah, here my 2019 Jeep, man. I had it for over a year and a half now, and I love this thing. No complaints at all, maintenance-wise, none of that. See, I got the carbon hood, carbon grill in the front. Yeah, and carbon trunk, man. Here y'all go. And like I said, I'm gonna show a preview of the merch right now. I'll put that up on the screen right here. I'm gonna have some exclusive for y'all soon, man. Real exclusive for y'all. So yeah. Alright, thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you guys go down and get this video a like. Make sure you guys also hit that subscribe so you don't miss out. Make sure you turn on that post notification bell. Join the club, man. Hit that subscribe, join the club. Like I said, merch coming soon. Thank you guys again. See you guys next video. Peace.